We're headed out to a special place we love, and just a few folks know there's no signing up, no monthly dues. Take it, Johnson, and Mercury, FM, rude and fired up. Me inside a party cold. Come on in, the water is fine. Just out on over and toss us a line. Nice tractors, bait liners, and a party barge strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side there's 5 houseboat front porches, astroturf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat that's us, the Redneck Yacht Club. The Potomac River chapter, that is. Bermuda's flip-flops and a tank top tan. If Bobby's first top at 10 a.m., that's Bob with the hair back. He's checking out the girls on the upper deck, rubbing in the 15 SPF. It's hot. Damn, Bob's gonna have a heart attack. Later on, when the sun goes down, pull out the jar and that old guitar, pass them around. Bass trackers, bait liners, and a party barge strung together like a flute trailer park. Anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side there's 5 houseboat front porches, astroturf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat that's us, the Redneck Yacht Club. Now when I say redneck, y'all say Yacht Club. Redneck Yacht Club. Redneck Yacht Club. And the party's over.